Yeah, thank you, Rishi. First, let me also add to Rishi's welcome, and on behalf of the Institute, I also extend welcome to the Chief Guest for the day, other distinguished guests, and the delegates to this two-day national conference on the role of assistive technology for enabling access for people with disabilities. I think about what we have been doing in this area. I kind of have mixed feelings. I think in the last 2 decades or a quarter century, India seems to have come a long way on many areas, many fields. Today we are recognized certainly as a global player, emerging player, and leaders in some areas. But every time I go out of the country and return, I think some things are very glaringly evident. And one of them happens to be our own sensitivity to people with disabilities. I think we seem to be lacking on that as a society. And even our institutions, we are unaware of the laws of our own land in this regard. I think Professor Krishnan mentioned just a few minutes ago that I happened to be at IIM Ahmedabad at the time, and he was here, and we had been going on for about 4 or 5 years after the law was passed, and we had made no effort to put in place reservations, the 3% reservation as demanded by the law for admission to our programs, and we had to be nudged. And so that was the first time I kind of came across this ignorance with respect to it. And coupled with that, as a society, we are kind of completely, I would think, blissfully unaware of what needs to be done to improve access, enable people to get a full advantage of the facilities available on our educational campuses. It is some comfort now after moving here in 2009, just about the time when this initiative was started, this Office of Disability was created at IIM Bangalore, that we have made some beginning. I think probably we are ahead of our peer institutions in this regard in this country, but still way behind. I think even if you walk around the campus today, you'll find that in terms of physical access, probably we could do a lot more, which we are not doing, and a lot more needs to be done. So in that context, I am very glad that Rishi took the lead, and the Office of Disabilities has put together this conference on improving awareness on what needs to be done, what can be done, and what has to be done. So I wish the conference all success, and I look forward to the results of your deliberations over the next 2 days. In particular, I would like to see a plan or suggestions or a blueprint for making this campus and other campuses in this country a more friendly place for people with disabilities, which will help them to achieve their full potential. Thank you, and welcome once again.